Hey everybody, I'm Giao and welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, I'm Giao and welcome to my channel. My name is spelled G-I-A-O but pronounced as Giao and I'm an artist. In today's video we are going to do another floral painting. Today we are going to be doing poppies. I really love flowers, as you know by now, and I also love poppies. Poppies are so beautiful and bright. I love the bright oranges and reds that they have in them, and I hope you enjoy my video of my painting of poppies. everybody, so I hope you enjoyed my video of my painting of my puppies, and once again I used golden acrylics and also Liquitex, and also I used Matisse. So here is what the painting looks like. This here is my poppies. Once again, I love to use layers when I'm using flow acrylics. I use my flow acrylics very similar to using watercolor. I like to layer them on top of each other, and therefore it creates a much more vibrant color if you do use lots and lots of layers in your watercolors. Because I didn't learn how to use acrylics, I just taught myself how to use them, and that's a way that I find that I like to use acrylics, the same as using watercolors. So these, I have my poppies in a vase, and the vases are very small and the flowers are very big, and it's got a beautiful background that's got some yellows up here and greens, and it goes into a blue purple down the bottom, and I really enjoyed painting this picture. So poppies for some reason remind me of these other flowers called ranunculus. Ranunculus are a bulb plant, and I love those flowers so much. They are very much similar to poppies to me, but they come in all sorts of different colors. They're just incredibly beautiful. So check out ranunculus. But anyway, here are my poppies, and they have beautiful reds, and they have beautiful oranges on them, and they've got yellow and gold and a lighter oranges on the inside right here. And I decided that I was going to do the vase same colour as the flowers, and it turned out very nice. So I'm very happy with this painting. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Up until next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful time with all your family and all your friends, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye!